Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a truly ingenious solution for anyone working in music, sound, or event production. The 5-pin male-female XLR DMX connector to RJ45 adapters. This particular 4-pack offers a fantastic way to streamline DMX cabling, converting readily available Cat5 Ethernet cables into reliable DMX512 lines. For years, professionals and enthusiasts alike have grappled with the challenges of DMX cabling. Traditional DMX cables can be expensive, bulky, and sometimes difficult to source in precise lengths, especially when setting up complex lighting rigs or sound systems. This is where these adapters shine. They present a remarkably practical and cost-effective alternative, allowing users to leverage the ubiquity and affordability of standard Cat5 Ethernet cables. Imagine the convenience of running a single, lightweight Ethernet cable across a venue, then simply attaching these adapters at each end to connect to DMX-compatible equipment. The design itself is straightforward yet highly effective. Each adapter features a robust build, ensuring durability in demanding live environments. The male and female XLR connectors provide versatility, allowing for various connection configurations depending on the equipment being used. The RJ45 end securely connects to your Ethernet cable, creating a stable and reliable link for DMX data transmission. This 4-pack is particularly useful, providing enough adapters for multiple connections right out of the box, which is ideal for setting up a small to medium-sized lighting array or integrating several DMX devices into a larger system. One of the most significant advantages these adapters offer is the sheer flexibility they bring to cable management. Ethernet cables are not only cheaper, but also often much easier to run through conduits, along trussing, or under flooring due to their smaller diameter and greater flexibility compared to traditional DMX cables. This can drastically reduce setup and teardown times, a crucial factor in fast-paced event scenarios. Furthermore, if a cable needs to be replaced or a different length is required, a standard Ethernet cable can be quickly swapped out, minimizing downtime and maintenance costs. These adapters are truly converted for use in a variety of music and sound scenarios. Whether it's for stage lighting, club installations, mobile DJ setups, or even theatrical productions, the ability to repurpose existing network infrastructure or easily acquire new, inexpensive cabling is a game changer. Users will find that the signal integrity remains excellent, providing consistent and reliable DMX control without any noticeable degradation. It's a testament to clever engineering that such a simple device can solve so many common logistical headaches. In essence, this 4-pack of 5-pin male-female XLR DMX connector to RJ45 adapters is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to optimize their DMX cabling solutions. It offers an intelligent, economical, and highly practical approach to managing DMX signals, making complex setups simpler and more efficient.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.